Today we're tackling a common issue many of you might have encountered already. The dreaded Dart SDK is not configured error in Android Studio. Hey code climbers, welcome back to another tutorial. I recently downloaded an e-commerce app template and tried importing it into my Android Studio. After syncing, I noticed a red cross on the main Dart file. To figure out what's wrong, I opened the Edit Configuration window. At the bottom, I saw the error message, Dart SDK is not configured. Let's fix it together. Click the Fix button. This will open the Dart language and framework settings. Here, enable the Dart support checkbox. This reveals the actual problem. The path to the Dart SDK isn't configured for this project. To fix this, open your terminal and run the command Flutter -v. This command lists all your Flutter SDK configurations. Scroll up to find the Flutter SDK path. Copy this path as it contains our Dart SDK somewhere inside it. Now go back to the Dart language and framework settings in Android Studio. Click the Browse button next to the Dart SDK path field. Paste the Flutter SDK path that you just copied from the terminal and drill down to the folder bin cache Dart SDK. Select this Dart SDK folder path, and once selected, you should see the Dart SDK version appear, which should match the one that is in the terminal. There's still one more warning. No module selected. So we select all the modules listed here and press OK. Press OK once more, and with all this configuration set, the red cross on the main Dart file should now be gone. Finally, let's test the app to make sure everything is working fine. For a quick test, select Linux Desktop as your device and hit Run. Oh no, another error. The required Flutter SDK version for this project seems to be higher than what we already have. A quick fix for this error is to go to the Tools menu and upgrade the Flutter SDK. So let's wait for the dependencies to download. Once the Flutter SDK is upgraded, let's try relaunching the app again. And success! The app runs, although there might be a few padding related issues. So let's navigate through the onboarding screens by pressing the next buttons, and then to the welcome screen, and then to the next screen. As you see, the app is running smoothly, maybe with a few padding issues which can be fixed manually. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to fixing the Dart SDK configuration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more coding tips from Code Climbers.